Let's quickly walk through how the delays page on DriveBC Mobile helps you stay on top of road conditions and plan your trip with confidence. From anywhere on the site, tap the three-line menu at the top left to open the navigation, then tap Delays. This opens a list of traffic impacts happening across BC. If you've already entered a starting point and destination for a trip, for example, from Kelowna to Vancouver, DriveBC automatically filters the list to show only the traffic impacts along that route. You can scroll down to see them in the exact order you'll encounter them, like a preview of what's ahead on your drive. Traffic impacts can include closures, major delays which is 30 minutes or more, minor delays which is up to 30 minutes. Chain-ups in effect for commercial truck drivers. Each item is clearly labeled with icons so you can tell at a glance what kind of impact it is. Each traffic impact in the list shows the direction that's affected, the location, a nearby landmark to help you picture where it is. A short description of what's going on. How recently it was updated and when to expect the next update. If you want to see it on the map, just tap View on Map and you'll jump straight to that location. If you want to explore beyond your current route, simply tap the little X next to your route to clear it. Want to narrow things down? Tap the filter options to choose which types of delays you want to see and which parts of your trip you care about most. The list will refresh to show traffic impacts across the whole province, not just your route. Tap Area to pick which part of BC you want to see, or use Type to choose which map layers you want to show or hide. You can also sort to rearrange the list in the way that works best for you. Sort by severity to see how serious the impacts are. You can choose to see closures first, followed by major and then minor delays, or pick the option that shows minor delays first, then major delays, and closures last. You can also sort roads from A to Z or Z to A. Sort by newest to oldest, or flip it to see oldest first if you're tracking an ongoing situation. This makes it easy to find exactly what you need, whether you're scanning for closures or just looking for the latest updates. And that's the delays page on DriveBC Mobile. It's all about helping you see what's ahead, keeping you informed, and keeping your travel plans running smoothly. Safe travels.